Good day everyone, welcome. So currently Payoneer doesn't support direct cryptocurrency transfers including USDC. However, you can still move your USDC funds to Payoneer by converting it to fiat currency. Here's how to do it. Firstly guys, you need to of course log in into your Coinbase account and sign in. After that you need to sell USDC for fiat. Go to the trade tab, select USDC as the asset you want to sell. Choose a fiat currency like USD, Euro, etc. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Confirm the sale to convert USDC into fiat. After that, go to the Assets or Portfolio tab, select the fiat currency you wish to, you convert it to USDT into. Click Withdraw and choose your linked bank account. Enter the withdrawal amounts, review the details and confirm. After that, log in into your Payoneer account as well. Let us go to Payoneer. Right, so you need to, of course, open the website and log in, navigate to the Receive or Add Funds section, follow the instructions to transfer your funds from your bank to your Payoneer accounts. So, once again, while Payoneer doesn't directly handle crypto, this method allows you to securely move your USDC funds via conversion and withdrawal. Guys, hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy, press like and subscribe. See you next time.